Welcome to the StatTree video module for continuous descriptives. To report the shape of the distribution curve of continuous data, skewness and kurtosis would be appropriate. You will need at least one continuous variable in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 through 7. To explore the shape of the distribution of continuous variables in the sample data in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. This output may be useful in assessing the suitability of data for further statistical testing, and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.